Crazy. We've got day 3 started with giant breakfasts all around. Gotta get ready.
Good morning.
Gotta be ready for a big trail. So we did 20+ miles yesterday, and I was wearing these POC VPD 2.0 knee pads almost the entire time. And that was way too long to be wearing these knee pads. So yesterday was like up and down, up and down. There was no big climb where I could take them off, and then a big descent where I could put them on. And by the end of the day, I had a nice little rash up here, which had never happened with the POC VPD Air knee pads that I've worn in the past, which have been pretty good. So yeah, I don't know. These are the only knee pads I brought, so I'm gonna keep wearing them and keep protecting my knees. But on a big, long ride, you gotta be able to take them off and put them on, and it's a pain in the butt. But it's better than having destroyed knees in a crash. I was just looking at my bike and kind of checking everything, and lo and behold, the same nut that I lost in Spain was loose, so I gotta be extra vigilant and extra tight on this thing. Okay, I grabbed my tool roll bag out of my car, and I think I've got an adjustable wrench in here. Bingo. 15 Newton meters, aka as tight as I can fucking do it. Okay, we're unloading. We're at the Lunch Loop Trails, and we're gonna do the ribbon. I've heard about this trail. I've seen videos about this trail. I am looking forward to it very much.
Most people spend a good hour up on this slick rock patch trying to figure out where the hell to go.
I tightened up my cleats on my shoes as well. They're giving me hell past couple days. I feel good now. This is crazy. Oh, the wind. Feel it. Oh, lean into it. This is where a lot of brakes have been locked up. Okay.
Good idea.
Okay, I see it. Plenty of people coming off of this. You see the skid marks. Awesome, thank you.
Anytime.
Cool. You can see the trail here. Just a little lighter on the line. I think I'm going the right way, huh? This is it. Wow. What a trip. Crazy. Oh, very cool. Oh, brakes were toast on that, huh?
Just wouldn't stop.
Yeah, I could smell your brakes. Yeah, you're gonna need a little time to recover those brakes. Mine were good.
Don't let your skin touch your rotor there.
Yeah.
You'll get a nice tap for the rest of the trip. Something to remember the ribbon by.
There's a lot of little offshoot right turns that people have taken. Big drop. There you go. Transitione. Oh, there it is. I see it. No, I can't. No way. There's nowhere to bail out to. Nice tumble down. That is definitely not my level yet. Nice and sharp. Cool.
Oh.
I didn't commit.
Okay, I'm gonna try that one. Smash a rear wheel. Ah! Dang it. Into the riverbed. Sydney was just telling us about this is like the worst place to be in the rain. Flash flood, danger. Gotta respect the desert. Got a bit of a climbing challenge here. Let's see what I got. I had that shit. But I didn't. Okay. Take a breather. Look at the next section. Very possible. Welcome to the Middle East. This is a strange formation. It's just mud, it looks like. It doesn't look like rock. I mean, there's some rock, but what a trip. It still amazes me that I could ride all these different trails all over the world, and every one has its own little different thing that I've never seen before. Okay, time for some new scratches. Good enough. I got Wade up ahead of me, one of my resident smart asses on the channel. I love his great sarcasm in all the comments and live streams. Now we're on the Connector. That might be one of my most favorite trail names. I don't know why. Connector. Connector of the gods. Nice. Looks like a big wall ride. Big, slippery, unadvised wall ride. Yeah. Off to the left a little much there. Whoa, pedal strike. That's a gap. Armored up. Fuck yeah. Woo! That was real. Let the challenge begin. Once again, this maple glazed pecan sea salt. I need to buy a bunch of these when I get home. The new champion. Now we're on Holy Bucket. I wish I brought my gun. We could have shot a couple holes in these buckets. Just rolling through dinosaur land. Yee! Oh, yeah. Ooh, front ring ding? Rim ding? Ring ding? I think that was the spot just there where I had that crazy front wheel washout when I was riding out here on the Bronson. Whew. Son of a gun. Coming through there like an animal. I let everybody go ahead. I just want to take it in a little bit. It's friggin' amazing. I swear to God. Just being able to do this and have fun and bring people along. I'm so grateful. So damn grateful. All right, let's get a good clean run here. Into the wind. That was that. Good stuff. Another good day. If you can hear me. Party at the trailhead. Cheers to that, Wade. Oh yeah.
Got any loop, man?
That was good. Yeah. A blast.
That was freaking sketchy up there. I liked it, but it was
Everything's sharp.
and it, yeah, and it was just kind of threw me off to see cars moving below. Typically, when you're mountain biking, looking down at cars.
All right, we've loaded up the van. It's time to get back, get a shower, get something to eat. It's just another day in the life of chasing epic. We made it back, and thank God a delivery of toilet paper has arrived. We were running low. It's the final dinner. Build your own tacos. Plenty of food. Jose's got it dialed. Full on.
Hey, there's also cheese and sour cream in there too. I forgot to tell you that.
This one I thought it couldn't get better.
Those tacos came out so good. I had 4 amazing, massive tacos. We've got our last day of riding tomorrow, and then who knows what. So thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you on the trail.